Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn anti-aliasing on or off in SpiritVale. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing the gear icon in the bottom right corner or the escape key on the keyboard. This will open of course settings. From here select graphics and look for anti-aliasing. Here you can toggle it on or off. What does it do? This improves edges so they aren't as jagged and works on many different aspects. Unfortunately this game's art style is so simplistic, it only actually I think works on edges of textures, let's say. And once you are done, I personally will enable it. Once you are done, simply close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.